Alright guys, now I'm going to show you how to divide using the box method. We have our equation here. We have our dividend, which is 1,364. This number is the number we're dividing. Then I have my divisor, which is 4. This is how many equal groups I have. Then I have my quotient, which is telling me how much I have in each group. So when I divide, I like to show my multiples of the divisor. So if my divisor is 6, I'll show my multiples of 6. If the divisor is 7, I'll show my multiples of 7. That way it helps me when I'm dividing. So now I set it up. I'm going to draw boxes here that are going to represent each one of the digits in my dividend. How many digits are in the dividend? You're right, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to plug in 4 boxes. And each one of those digits is going to come inside. Don't just put those digits in randomly because it's going to change up my number. Make sure you put it place value by place value. So I have 1, 3, 6 in the tens, and 4 in the ones. So now I get started. I want to divide first what's in the first box. And I'm using multiplication. So I have 1 divided by 4. If I have 1 cookie, can I share with 4 people? I can't unless I'm using a fraction, you're right. But in this case, I don't want to think of fractions. I'm thinking of just whole numbers. So I have 1 divided by 4. I can't do it because once I get to times 1, it's already 4. So I have to use 0. So 4 times 0 equaled what? 0. You're right. My next step is to subtract. So I had 4 times 0 equaled 0. I subtracted 1 minus 0 and I got 1 left. This 1, I want to bring it up. See what I did here? I brought that 1 up to my next box. So now I made 13 in the next box. Now I have 13 divided by 4. I want to come over here. I want to pass 13. 16 right there. It can't be times 4 because I already know that's going to be 16. 16 can't be subtracted by 3, so it has to be the first one, which is the next one up, which is 12. So that'd be times 3. So 4 times 3 equals 12. I subtract down. It gives me 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so I leave it blank. That 1 comes straight up. Now I have 16. 16 divided by 4. I want to get to 16. Boom, right there. That was times 4. So that's 4 times 4. Gave me 16. I subtract 0. The 0 comes up. 4 divided by 4. 4 right there. So I know 4 times 1 is 4. So 4 divided by 4 has to be 1. 4 times 1, 4. I have 0 left, so my answer is this number on top. 341 is going to be my quotient.